Hi, I'm Jenny. Welcome to my channel, Beauty in a Minute. Thank you so much for joining me today. If you haven't done so yet, please consider subscribing to my channel. And if you like my video today, please kindly give me a thumbs up. And today I want to talk about another Neutrogena product. And this is again from the Rapid Wrinkle Repair range. The Neutrogena Rapid Wrinkle Repair range has got quite a few products under the group. And this one is the Regenerating Cream. As usual, it's got the Retinol SA. And this one is at 0.13%. Yeah, it's a very unusual measurement, 0.13, which is essentially mid-strength, but the lowest range of mid-strength. So your mid-strength retinol is anywhere from 0.1 to 1%. When you hit the 1%, that is high-strength retinol. So let's look at this product here. The usual Neutrogena packaging. This one is a little bit different. It comes in a 48 gram. This is what it looks like inside. And you've got this tub here. And this is a cream. So as you can see, it's a very solid cream. Yeah. Yeah, this is more a slightly thickish cream. Easily massage into your skin. Yeah, again, it's got that perfume. Yeah, the perfume from the Neutrogena Rapid Wrinkle Repair range. Yeah, it's got that perfume. But it is a nice cream. It spreads nicely, absorbs nicely. It's easily spread right across your face. So this is not a bad moisturizer to use in the evening. When you look at the tub here, 48 gram, there's a lot in here. This is possibly equivalent to 100 mils, possibly. I have got a few moisturizers in this size and this tub, so I'm looking at possibly 100 mils. With that 0.13% retinol, so you're getting a very nice mid-strength retinol moisturizer for your evening. And the texture is quite sticky. It's quite tacky. Like I said, it's a thickish cream. So it's just slightly on the tacky side. So looking at the ingredients, and of course they've got your 0.13% pure retinol, the famous Retinol SA, developed by Neutrogena. And then it's got the usual glycerin dimethicone. It's got your fragrance. I would call it very minimal ascorbic acid because it's right at the end. So it's really quite minimal and almost forgettable. Sodium hyaluronate. And the rest are mainly mixing ingredients. So really the formulation of this product is pretty basic. So it doesn't have niacinamide, peptides, ceramides, or any amino acids and other anti-aging ingredients. I would say a pretty safe product to use. I don't expect this product to cause much irritation because it's still really at the very lowest end of mid-strength. So here in New Zealand, there are two places you can buy Neutrogena. The Chemist Warehouse in New Zealand here stock a good range of Neutrogena products and they're priced really well. The Chemist Warehouse here, this is $30 for this 48 gram, which is very, very good for a retinol cream or retinol moisturizer. And from the Farmers Department Store, which is a little bit more pricey, this is priced at $53, which is a little bit more expensive. So yeah, if you're buying this from the Chemist Warehouse at $30 for retinol cream, this is very cheap. For evening moisturizer, there's really absolutely nothing wrong with this product. If you don't mind the scent, the perfume scent, and you really like the texture, gives you that mid-strength retinol, so shouldn't cause you any irritation. Moisturizes your skin with the dimethicone, glycerin, and so forth. So yeah, for an evening moisturizer for $30, this is really what you call bang for your buck. Yeah, personally, I find the Rapid Wrinkle Repair range, the perfume is a little bit strong for me. I'm not a big fan of the scent, so that put me off a little bit. There's so much in here, so it will last you for some time. For the price, for the amount, there's nothing wrong with this moisturizer. It's a very, very good buy. Thank you so much for joining me today. If you haven't done so yet, please consider subscribing to my channel. And if you like my video today, please kindly give me the thumbs up. And if you have any questions, please list them down below and I'll do my best to answer them. Otherwise, I'll catch you guys next time.